Welcome to Financial Table.
Hello, financial people. Ever wondered why understanding finance is crucial in today's fast-paced world? At Financial Table, we make the complicated world of finance easy to digest. With insights on market trends, investment tips, and economic analysis, we help you navigate your financial journey. So you ready to elevate your financial IQ? Smash that subscribe button and join our growing community. Engage in discussions, gain insights, and transform your financial future, one video at a time. So please enjoy our next video.
Creating a smart investment plan for the future.
Retirement is your time to enjoy the fruits of your labor, but securing a financially stable future requires thoughtful planning. Imagine waking up every day knowing your investments are growing and your income is secure. That's the power of a smart investment plan. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. Retirement brings freedom, but it also requires careful money management to ensure lasting comfort. Without a solid investment strategy, inflation and unexpected expenses could jeopardize your nest egg. A well-crafted plan helps your savings grow, keeps risks manageable, and ensures you can live the retirement lifestyle you deserve. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all investment strategy. Your financial needs and risk tolerance are unique, so your plan should fit you. It's about balancing growth with security, avoiding unnecessary risks while still making your money work for you. Before you start investing, define your goals. Do you want to travel the world, support your grandchildren's education, or simply maintain a cozy, predictable lifestyle? Knowing what you want helps you set clear priorities and determine how much wealth you need to achieve them. Don't forget, these goals will guide your financial choices. For example, if you value stability, options like bonds or high-yield savings accounts may suit you. If you're open to a bit more risk for potentially higher rewards, you might look into dividend-paying stocks or mutual funds. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's the golden rule of smart investing. Spread your funds across different asset classes to reduce risk. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash-like investments each behave differently, meaning when one dips, another could rise. Diversifying also means considering international investments or sectors you haven't explored before. However, always ensure you understand where your money is going. Stick with investments you can track and manage easily, especially during retirement. In retirement, preserving your wealth becomes just as important as growing it. Look for a mix of low-risk investments, like treasury bonds or certificates of deposit, CDs, and moderate-risk assets that provide steady income, such as REITs or dividend stocks. This balance is key to a robust portfolio. It's also important to review your plan regularly. What suited you 5 years ago might not meet your needs today. Adjust to maintain both income and peace of mind as market conditions and personal circumstances evolve. Even the most secure investments involve some risk, so knowing how to minimize it is crucial. Set limits on how much you're willing to lose in a worst-case scenario. That way, you can feel confident no matter what the markets throw your way. Consider working with a financial planner who specializes in retirement strategies. They can help you adjust your plan depending on your risk tolerance, goals, and changes in the economy. This extra layer of expertise could save you from costly mistakes. No matter your age or income, it's never too late to start creating an investment plan for your future. Small, consistent steps can lead to big rewards. The earlier you act, the more options you'll have to grow and preserve your wealth. So, sit down, define your goals, and explore your investment options. Consult professionals when needed, and remember to revisit your plan regularly. Subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on financial planning and empowering your golden years. Your future self will thank you for starting today.
If you're ready to elevate your passion to unprecedented heights, you're in the right place. Uncover the inspiration that sparks change and stirs the soul. In this journey, we've shared incredible tips and stories that empower action. Now it's your turn to embrace your potential and redefine what's possible. Connect with a vibrant community of enthusiasts who are just as passionate as you. Share, learn, and grow together as you turn dreams into achievements. Your adventure doesn't end here. It's just beginning. Hit subscribe, join our family, and keep the momentum going. Together, let's transform passion into power and create a legacy that inspires the world. See you on our next video.